Hi everyone, so today we are going to be doing our second annual
Hi.
That's Ian. We're gonna do our second annual vision board
Guys,
video.
like and subscribe, comment.
So today we are gonna be doing our vision board. I did a vision board for 2020. Obviously that didn't work out because, you know, pandemic hit and we didn't know about that. So, but we do know about it now. So obviously 2020 sucked and we didn't know what was going on with the pandemic. So the vision board that I made then didn't really, you know, come true, and that's okay because, you know, things happen and we didn't know this was gonna, you know, happen. So 2021, we know what's happening. We know we can work our way around it now. We've pretty much made a normal life almost normal in our own ways. So I cut out things that I know I can accomplish in 2021, not really things like over extreme. I'm just keeping it simple this year. I don't have a lot of stuff that I want to accomplish, but there are stuff that I do want to accomplish. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing our 2021. So the items that you're going to need are some photos of the goals that you want to accomplish, some magazines if you want to cut out any, some magazines if you have any, if you want to utilize any like keywords that you find in here or any inspirational pictures. And you also need obviously your board. So this board comes with my goal planner that I have on my Etsy shop if you guys want to go check it out. I'll link it down in the description, but you don't really need this one. You can use any piece of paper, and an extra item that you might need will be a, what's it called? Oh, I should probably turn on the lights. I feel like it's a little dark. A bit better. An extra thing that you would probably need is just a laminator. You don't need a laminator, but it's just something if you want to just make this sturdy, which I will do. But yeah, but that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with cutting these photos out, and then I'm going to cut out some inspirational quotes or any keywords that I want to have for 2021. Creating the aesthetic, essentially. It's creating the aesthetic for 2021. Like, how do I want to be? Who do I want to be? And stuff. So I always love creating vision boards. It's so much fun. But okay, and also some scissors and some glue. You're gonna need glue. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna start off by cutting my photos out. I will be cutting out the photos from the magazine, and then we will on placing them down. So if the question for you is, what should I put on a vision board? You can put anything down. The point of a vision board is literally what it means. It's what do you envision yourself? How do you envision yourself in 2021? So what's those key words? What is it that you want to grow into? For example, for me, I want to grow my confidence. I feel like I don't have the confidence that I feel like I should have, meaning I just don't, I live in fear a lot. So for me, I just want to have confidence in the decisions that I make. I want to feel confident in the words that I say. I just want to have confidence. I feel like that's going to be my word of the year, is just working on that. That's essentially what it is that I'm going to be working on. So for you, it's like, ask yourself those questions. What do I want to work on? What is it that I want to accomplish? What is it that I want to do? Who is it that I want to be? I'm pretty sure everyone subconsciously has this thought in their head of exactly who it is that they want to be. So it's just creating that vision and then putting it on a piece of paper and going after it. Many of you may think, you know, what are the benefits of having a vision board? Like, what does it do for you? And essentially, it's more of just a motivator. It's a way to manifest things, and manifestation is just your thoughts becoming into words, becoming into actions. So whenever you see where you want to be, it just motivates you to want to get to there. And not only motivate, but also just having the self-discipline to know that that's exactly where you want to be. If you're tired of being where you're at, it's for a reason, and that should be just enough fuel to get yourself started, you know? So for me, I love doing vision boards every single year. I'm also gonna leave like a little white border. I feel like it's really cute, so I'm gonna leave a little white border around some of my pictures. I just feel like a vision board is a great thing to start. You know, sometimes when it comes to goals, it's kind of hard exactly knowing where it is to just start and how to really accomplish that. So it just all begins when you brainstorm those questions. In my goal planner that I have on my Etsy shop, it really helps you think of those things. It really dives into figuring out what it is that you want in life. So if you struggle a lot with that type of situation, then you might want to go look into it. You don't have to. I know there's other great resources on Etsy. You don't have to buy mine. There's also a lot of free videos that you can watch on YouTube. There's a lot of free content that you can Google and stuff. So my goal planner is just one resource that I'm giving you, but there's so many more that you can grab from. You don't necessarily need mine, but you know, you'd be helping my channel if you do. All right, so Aldi, well, that's a really great question. My camera's about to die already, which is very unfortunate. But some of my goals are this. So it's more of like self-growth and really building a good foundation with myself and my habits, and making sure that everything that I'm doing is for a reason and it's for a goal that I want to accomplish, basically. So it's a lot of self-growth and a lot of self-esteem growth. So I'm adding that into that. Chanel stuff, because I'm very luxurious, and hopefully this upcoming year in 2021, I will actually have a job where I'll be able to afford things like this. So this is a goal that I'll be able to purchase a nice luxury anything clothes or accessories. So we'll see if we get there. I hopefully will be graduating too, so I'm gonna add this because, you know, that's where I'll be, hopefully. Crossing my fingers I pass finals this semester. But yeah, so that's where I'll be. And then I picked out this girl because of her body and the hair type. So I picked a girl that kind of looks similar to me, meaning like, you know, hair type and skin color. So I picked her because that's exactly who I want to be. She looks confident. This is the body type that I want with the hair. That's how long I want my hair to be. I really want to grow back my curly hair and stuff. So I feel like this was just the perfect picture for me, and I could really resemble myself with her. And then last but not least, hopefully with graduating, I will also move out and get myself an apartment. So I picked a really pretty place that looked like an apartment, like complex type of thing. So yeah, hopefully I get to move out. And so with the magazines, I will just look for any other stuff that just inspires me. I'm gonna be looking for keywords, really. I found a couple already in here, so I'll be cutting them out while my camera charges. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so I just finished cutting out all of my photos. You can cut as many as you want, as little as you want. I feel like this is the perfect amount for me. So what you want to do once you have cut out all your photos is, before you start gluing, is you need to set it up. Because if you glue it down, it's going to be really harder for you to take it out if you don't like the way that it looks. So I believe laying it down first with the bigger pictures and then layering up is what's going to be the best. And then once you figure it out, then you can go in and start individually gluing them down. And you can, I'm using Elmer's glue. You can use any glue. It doesn't really matter what kind of glue. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. I was looking for, when it comes to looking for stuff in the magazines, I was just looking for a lot of keywords. Not really any pictures, because I feel like the ones that I have are good enough for me. So I was just looking for a lot of pictures, a lot of words that really meant a lot to me, that I resonated with a lot in my time right now. So yeah, okay, I think I like the way that looks so far, so I'm gonna add my words. So this one's management. I have fashion right here. I'm gonna put dream. Should have put dream down here. Maybe down here. I really like that looks. I think it looks really cute. Like I said, you can add more, you can add less. Maybe to some of you this seems like a little bit of photos. Maybe to some of you this looks like just fine. To me this looks fine. One word I was really trying to look for was confidence. I couldn't find it, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just write it in myself. I don't really want to waste my ink just printing out one word. So okay, so I'm gonna take my glue stick and I'm gonna start gluing this stuff down. Alrighty then. So this makes me really happy. I love the way it looks. I think it's just perfect. I don't find any of these to be like so out there, and I feel like these are things I could really honestly accomplish in 2021. Obviously, number one thing that I wish for it to happen is for us to have a vaccine. That's obviously, you know, is super important right now for all of those people who are struggling right now, who have lost family members and stuff. So I really have so much sympathy and empathy for you. So this is just something simple that you could do at home. Doesn't take any money, it's just a fun little activity that you could do just to brighten up 2021 just a little bit because of a sad year of 2020. So I finished putting these down. I'm gonna grab a marker just so I can write the word confidence in here because I really want that. And I'm gonna write at the top because it's top priority to me. I'm gonna just write confidence. There we go. So yeah, you guys can add little stickers on here. It's literally up to you. It can be so personal. It doesn't have to be as minimal as mine. Mine is very minimal, but like I said, I feel like it's just things that I know I can accomplish this year. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go grab my laminator and we're gonna laminate this. It's totally up to you. It's an extra step if you want to take just to make sure that this is all protected. If you want to go the cheap route, you could also just tape over it. I know that's what I used to do when I was younger. I would just tape over the paper just to secure it. Or you could just leave it the way it is and just hang it up on your wall. It's totally up to you, but I'm going to go ahead and laminate this. So the laminator that I have is the Amazon Basics ones. I got this for Christmas, I want to say about 2 years ago from my friend. Okay, so I'm going to laminate my thing. I already put it inside its little protector sheet. And yeah, okay. Let's zoom out just a little bit. Okay, and there we go. We have our vision board. It is so cute. Something you could have done is probably write down your goals in the back, but since this is gonna go on my wall, I didn't want to do that. So this is it, guys. So this is our 2021 vision board. I feel kind of sad just because I feel like there could have been so much more other things I could have done this year for this upcoming year, but we're still unsure of where exactly we're gonna be. So yeah. Okay guys, if you guys really like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.